Okay, I've moved over to Photoshop and we want a new document, Command N. It's always Command N, right? A new document, and you know, I'll call this Lord of the Flies, and I'm going to work in inches. The width is 20, the height is 30, and we know this because that's the size we were working at in Illustrator. But the resolution, this is different than Illustrator. We're working for print on our inkjet printer, 180 pixels per inch. Okay, and then RGB is our color space. You got it? Our color profile, might as well do this right now. We're going to switch to Adobe RGB. All right, so 180. I'll explain why 180 sometime in the future. Big long explanation. You don't need it right now. So we're going to just say OK. And this is our new document. Well, the first thing we need to do is get our background color set. So I'm going to switch over to Illustrator and unlock that background, select it, and then double click here. Double click on the fill color in order to get, and see this hex code here? I'm just going to copy it, Command C. I copied that hex code. I can cancel out of this, jump back over to Photoshop, double click on the foreground color, and then see how it's already highlighted? I don't have to hit delete, I just paste, Command V. And now we have that new color there, and I can set my background color with a handy dandy shortcut. I'll go ahead and change that to white. Notice these shortcuts here. It's Edit, Fill, and I never go here, so, and the shortcut, don't think of this because it is, Fill is Shift Delete. If I do that, Shift Delete, and the reason I'm doing Shift Delete is because if I cancel this, Option Delete, and that's the backspace key next to the plus sign, and Command Delete, these fill with the background and foreground colors in Photoshop. So if you can't remember that, Edit, Fill, and then choose the foreground color. Foreground is in the foreground, background is in the background. Get it? Get it, get it, get it? Okay, so now you have image size, Option Command I, image size. Make sure, open this dialog box up. Your document should be 55.6 megabytes. It should be 3600 by 5400. It should be 20 inches by 30 inches at 180 pixels per inch. This is important. And I think by default, that's checked. So I'm going to leave that right there. Make sure you're working at the right image size and resolution. Okay? The dimensions, the width and height, and the resolution. I can't stress enough how important this is. Got it? I'm going to hit cancel and come back and we'll start moving our objects around.